Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. This is Wish Wednesday. You know the deal here. You wish for songs and I bring up for you here on Wednesdays. And this time we have you Larangi Official. I kind of felt I got a challenge here from you. You asked for NEFFEX Hometown and you people wondered how I'm gonna figure this out. I did it in this way. And yeah, this is what I think is the best way to handle this song with only one guitar. We're gonna check out that very soon, but first, if you want to thank me for my work, you go to my new YouTube channel. It's called Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here somewhere. You go and subscribe there, and that is the best way to thank me, guys. I need your help to support that channel, so thank you very much. Now, let's go into NEFFEX Hometown. Yes, it's a challenge. It's a cool challenge, and I feel I got the best out of it from one guitar. So we're gonna look into that first. Let's go check out the chords, and yeah, as you can see here, no need for any capo. We're gonna work with a couple of bar chords. Not really actually, but yeah, based upon bar chords. So what you're gonna start with now first is the E minor, and we're gonna go with this version. Kind of an open fashion. All these chords will be in that way. So what you're gonna play here, and you're gonna incorporate the open E string, then the 7th A, then the 9th D, 9th G, open B, and open high E. That's the kind of an E minor chord. Then we're gonna move on to this grip, and you can actually just slide from that grip over to this, okay? And that will be based upon C version. So what you're gonna play here now is 3rd fret A string, 5th D, and 4th G. Try to stay at those 3 strings, okay? The other ones you don't need. They will just crap it out. So 3 strings, A, D, and G. That's the C grip. Then we're gonna move on to this. It's kind of an A minor version or something. So what you're gonna play here is the open A, 2nd D, 4th G, and open B. That's the same note. So you have, again, kind of 4 strings or so in the middle. So avoid the E strings from this A minor grip. Then we have the B minor. What you're gonna play now is the 2nd A, 4th D, 4th G, open B. So again, stay away from the outer E strings. Okay, that's the B minor grip. Then we have, yeah, we can go to this F to handle the instrumental play later on. So what I do here for the F chord, I don't care that it's usually is a bar chord. We just need a bass for it. So what I hold for this F is 1st fret E string, 3rd fret A, and maybe the 3rd fret D. But basically we need that kick on the bass strings. The E and A are the important strings here. Then we have the standard E minor. We're not going to use this version in the first one we go for, but we're going to go for the standard E minor. So again, it's the open E string, 2nd A, 2nd D, then open G, open B, and open E. And yeah, again, it's about the bass strings here mostly. So you're gonna understand that later on. And then finally, we're gonna go and hit the next 2 chords here for the break. And that will be the A minor and G. So A minor, we're gonna use a standard A minor chord. It goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally the G. And that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay guys, so a lot of chords here, but we have one main pattern that pretty much makes up for 80-90% of this song. And that is the starting chords I showed you, the E minor, the C, the A, and the B. We have 2 different ways of handling this. We're gonna go first with the strumming pattern only, okay? So let's focus on that. We have a strumming pattern that goes like this. Okay, so we have to divide this into 2 different parts to handle this song later on as well. So we had the first part, which is down, up, clap. Okay, so down, up, clap. And the second part is up, down, up. So So 1 round in total will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Everything goes in just in one motion. No pauses, it just flows. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so basic for this main playing here, you're gonna play the E minor 2 rounds, then the C 2 rounds, the A minor 2 rounds, and the B minor 2 rounds. So just with strumming goes like this. And so on. And notice sometimes you have to have shorter downs and ups since you want to avoid the E strings for the 3 last chords. The E minor to start with, you can go all the way down, or actually it's good if you do that all the way down and up like this. But for the next 3 chords actually, C, A minor, and B minor, you have to stay in the mid area to do the downs and ups. Okay, so that is the main playing for just strumming. But then we have this cool idea of bringing in the notes as well. Now I'm going to give you the separate notes for each and every chord, and then we're going to see how to incorporate everything here in a strumming note mix, and that will be cool. So first off, the notes here for E minor, it goes like this. Okay, so what you're going to focus on here is the 7th fret A string. Then you're gonna alternate that with the 9th fret G string. You do that again, 7th A, 9th G. Then comes the clap. And then comes 3 times on the 10th fret D string. So this is the melody. So you do that twice, so. Okay, that's the melody. Then we go over to the C melody. It goes like this. Okay, basically the same principles, just different notes now. You're gonna play the 3rd fret A string, and you're gonna alternate that with the 4th fret G string. So again, and then comes the clap, and then you're gonna play the 5th fret G string 3 times. So that is 1 round, slowly. Okay, then over to the A minor part. Okay, so now you're gonna play the open A string as the new bass. And then you're gonna play the rest the same. So 4th fret G string. To do that again, so open A, 4th fret G. Then comes the clap, and then 5th fret G string 3 times. So that is 1 round. 2 rounds goes. And finally we have the B minor. It goes like this. Same principle here. Now we have a new bass note on the 2nd fret A string, 4th fret G, 2nd A, 4th G, clap, and then 3 times on the 5th fret G string. That is 1 round, so 2 rounds goes. Alright, so there you have the melody. So, of course, this melody with the clap and everything else, it's synchronized with the strumming pattern. That is the whole idea. So now, when you know where the melody goes, you know how the strumming pattern is, you can actually try to get as many notes as you can within the strumming, okay? So that means you're gonna really be careful to learn the strumming first, to really get comfortable with that down, up, clap, up, down, up, and then to know where the notes goes, the melody goes for each and every chord, and really try to get that in your downs and ups to really get as much as you can from the melody. So slowly, something like this. You see, I'm trying to get the notes here, and I'm moving my fingers to really get the little pinky from that 9th fret G string and up to the 10th fret D string when it's time to get that note. So And the magic is also within this specific chord E minor is that last open high E is the same note as the 7th fret A string, and also the open E string in the bass, of course, it's the same note. So that is the idea, to go pretty much all the way down and up. It doesn't hurt, at least, to go, because that is the note sol. And then the same idea follows with the rest of the chords. So for C, you're gonna go with this grip, and then when it's time, you're gonna go with the little pinky to the 5th fret G string to get that note sol. The same goes with A minor. And the same with B. So, a total run of these chords slowly goes like this. So that is pretty much what you can accomplish with a guitar only to create this song. Now, we have learned the main pattern, or whatever you're gonna call it, the main part of the song. Now at 1 minute and 8 seconds in comes the instrumental parts. This is where you're gonna use that F to E minor. Cool stuff here. So you're gonna play like this. 4 rounds of that, okay? So what you're gonna do here is to kick that first F chord on the bass, and then quickly go to the E minor, and play after that down. So 1 down on F, 1 down on E minor, then comes the clap, up, down, up. And then you're gonna play another 3 full string rounds on that E minor. So all that is 1 round. So F, 1 down, E minor 1 down, plus clap up, down, up, plus 3 full rounds. That is 1 round. So slowly like this. Four rounds of that in tempo, it's gonna sound something like this. Yeah, I'll play 2 rounds for you 4 times, and that is the closest thing you can come with a guitar. You have a lot of electronics happening there at that moment, but as basic for this, or like a ground for all this music happening there, is that F and E minor chord. That is supposed to go for 4 rounds, and then you're gonna hit that 1 minute and 30 seconds mark. I don't give a, and so on. That's for in the lyrics. Now you're gonna continue with the same strumming, and we're gonna play a different thing here. We're gonna play E minor first, 2 full string rounds. Then you're gonna go to the A minor and play 1 full round plus part 1. So that means you're gonna play down, up, clap, up, then down, up, clap. And then you're gonna change to G and play part 2. You just finish off with that up, down, up. And all that being 1 round, you're gonna play for 4 rounds. So E minor, 2 full rounds, A minor, 1 round plus part 1, and G part 2. Something like this. I played 2 rounds for you, you're gonna play 4, and after that, you're gonna, I think, jump back to the main part and finish off with that. And that, my friends, especially you, Larangi or something like that, I think that's your name, on YouTube, that is how you handle Hometown from NEFFEX. We love NEFFEX here, is kind of our homeboy. In-house performer, artist, whatever you're gonna call him. So yeah, a pleasure to do this song for you guys and all you NEFFEX fans out there. Hope you enjoyed it. And again, Again, I want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. I need your help, guys. That's basically it. So go and subscribe to that YouTube channel, Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. See you soon, at least next Wednesday. So continue to wish songs. Could be your day next week. Hope to see you soon. Play tune.